الله أكبر الله أكبر.
Assalamu alaikum, brother. So this is the Carry the Light Convention 2014, and we have website carrythelight.ca that everybody knows. Our main sponsors ICNA Canada and ICNA Relief Canada, and we are thankful for the ICNA Canada Amir, President, General Secretary, and the Shura for sponsoring this, and at the same time ICNA Relief Canada. So this year's theme is Canadian Muslims, Opportunities and Challenges. This is based on the input from all the members of the organizations. So let us listen to the speakers and panel discussion. We have many opportunities to make use of and many challenges to overcome. We have opportunities in this great land to invite for Allah's deen without any problem. At the same time, we have challenges. We have Bill C-24. We have people like youth. They are being arrested with small comments. So we would like to know from the speakers and the panel discussion how the youth should take care when they are talking to each other. So we thank our sponsors, speakers, volunteers, and delegates. We thank sponsors like ICNA Relief Canada, who has recently supported Gaza by giving $300,000 recently through a UN organization. We thank speakers who come from far from Europe, from USA, the speakers like Dr. Yasir Qadi, Lauren Booth, and we are presenting to you some young speakers like Brother Qayyum Mufti, Brother Dr. Nazir Khan, and we have volunteers throughout ICNA Canada, which helped us to organize this convention from Montreal to Windsor. And we have the most important delegates. You are helping us to encourage the speakers who came from far, and it is very difficult to get these speakers in one platform. So congratulate all the delegates, inshallah. About ICNA Canada, vision is to build an exemplary Canadian Muslim community through dawah, learning and development, organization, and services to humanity. Now to-do list, make best use of the 2 days, take notes and key messages. So who are very good in taking notes? Can you raise your hand? Good. So we have a prize for you, inshallah. If you are having good messages from the speakers, and if you show at the end of the convention, we have a prize for you. Visit booths in Bazaar. We have a very good sisters booth. We have Dawah and ICNA Relief pavilions. So make use of Dawah and ICNA Relief pavilions. There is also giveaways there. We have MCNA Rights for Children, and we have a reptile show, inshallah. And there is another very important organization, which is ICNA Relief is organizing matrimonial services. So if you are in search of matching couples, so that is there also. The most important is study this booklet, also available in our website, carrythelight.ca. So there are many information about the speakers, about the topics. And this program is actually being consolidated after 6 months of research by the program committee. So we congratulate the program committee chair, Brother Khalid Saif and Brother Zahid, for putting a lot of efforts and nights in that. And there's another important thing we need from please provide feedback form online on website or by email. Suggest next year theme. So we want your input also for the next year theme, inshallah. And that is info@carrythelight.ca. Email info@carrythelight.ca, your contact detail with telephone and email, and get 10% discount in next year. And this year you have to do by 26th of August. So draws are provide your emails and telephone to the registration desk. So there is also the prizes in the draw. fill membership form to join ICNA in Dawa Pavilion. So this is another draw we would like to make if you fill the membership to join ICNA. Actually, joining ICNA is very important because to me, there are many diseases you can get rid of if you volunteer in ICNA activities. And this Yasir Fazaga will tell you how it. So get a free CN Tower Pass in a draw for writing your emails and telephone and registration desk. So enjoy the show, best of the speeches, topics and discussions and children's entertainment inshallah. So Jazakallah khair for coming in this convention.